The Assuwa League was a confederation of states in western Anatolia, defeated by the Hittites Tudhaliya I around 1400 BC. The league formed to oppose the Hittite Empire. The list of its members contains 22 names, including uqqa, Warsiya, Taruisa, Wilusiya and Karkija. Some of the identifications of these names are disputed. Wilusiya is commonly identified with Ilion, and Taruisa with the surrounding Trode, and Warsiya may be associated with Uqqa. However, identification of uqqa with later attested Uqqa is problematic, because that would put the Assuwa League both north and south of Assuwa in southwestern Anatolia. Assuwa appears to lie north of Assuwa, covering the northwestern corner of Anatolia. Homer in the Iliad seems to refer to two Lycias in 2.876-77, 5.479. Sopton is a leader of distant Lycia, while in 2.824 ff. 5.105 Pandarus is another leader of Lycians from around Mount Ida near Troy, so that Uqqa versus uqqa may find its explanation in these terms. However, the Assuwa League included Karkija in southwest Anatolia, south of even the proposed Uqqa. So, since also Assuwa was only a confederate league, it could easily have included a wide-ranging array of anti-Hittite minor powers across the region. This confederacy is mentioned only in the fragmentary tablets making up La Roche's CTH 142/85. Since Tudhaliya I was known to have had frontier trouble between 1250 and 1200 BC, and since the text lists rebel nations in much the way Ramesses II does, the first consensus dated this text, and so Assuwa to Tudhaliya I. This dating appears in all older literature on the fall of the Hatti, and crops up every now and then to this day. However, the consensus has since then come around to dating Assuwa to an earlier Tudhaliya, which means prior to Suppiluliuma and so prior to 1350 BC. Assuwa has been suggested as the origin for the name of the continent Asia. A number of fragmentary Hittite records imply that the anti-Hittite rebellion of the Assuwa League received a certain degree of support from Mycenae and Greece.